Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter? This colossal planet, over 11 times the diameter of Earth, is the gargantuan behemoth of our solar system. Its enormity is such that more than 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Just imagine, a world so massive that it dwarfs our home planet to the size of a mere marble in comparison. Now let's take a quick journey back in time, to an era where our understanding of the universe was in its infancy. The ancient Babylonian astronomers were arguably the first to note Jupiter's presence in our night sky. Their meticulous observations and recordings set the stage for future celestial explorations. Jupiter, named after the king of the Roman gods, has been a figure of fascination and reverence across various cultures. The Romans saw Jupiter as the god of sky and thunder, a powerful deity ruling over the heavens. In Greek mythology, this planet was associated with Zeus, the king of the gods and the ruler of Mount Olympus. The ancient Chinese, too, had a special place for Jupiter in their traditional cosmology. They knew it as the wood star, based on their elemental system of wood, fire, earth, metal and water. Hindu astrology recognizes Jupiter, or Guru, as a spiritually significant planet, bringing knowledge and prosperity. In many ways, Jupiter's influence extends beyond its physical presence in our solar system. Its cultural significance is as vast as its size, deeply ingrained in our human history and mythology. Yet, all these ancient civilizations, despite their keen observations and interpretations, could only understand so much from their terrestrial vantage point. They were limited by their naked-eye observations, their knowledge confined by the constraints of their time. So, the awareness of Jupiter dates back to antiquity, but when did we start to understand this giant planet better? The invention of the telescope brought a revolution in our understanding of the cosmos, including Jupiter. Imagine the year 1610. A man named Galileo Galilei peered through his handmade telescope, a device that would forever change our perception of the universe. As he observed the night sky, he noticed 4 bright spots circling Jupiter. These were later named the Galilean moons in his honor. Galileo's observations were groundbreaking. Until then, the widely accepted belief was that Earth was the center of the universe, a concept known as the geocentric model. However, the movement of Jupiter's moons showed that not everything revolved around us. This was a bold challenge to the geocentric belief, marking the beginning of the shift towards the heliocentric model, where the sun is at the center. As the centuries passed, our understanding of Jupiter continued to evolve. With the development of more advanced telescopes, we have been able to observe Jupiter's intricate cloud patterns, its vast storms, and its vibrant bands of color. Each observation has painted a more detailed picture of the gas giant, further fueling our curiosity and fascination. When the Hubble Space Telescope was launched in 1990, it provided us with the sharpest images of Jupiter ever seen. The Hubble's observations have revealed new moons, storms forming and dissipating, and even a shrinking Great Red Spot. Each discovery has deepened our understanding of Jupiter and the universe at large. The telescope was, and still is, a key tool in our quest to understand the universe. It has allowed us to see beyond our own world and has challenged our perception of our place in the cosmos. It has made us realize that we are just a small part of a vast, complex, and ever-changing universe. The telescope indeed brought us closer to Jupiter, but what if we could get even closer? The dawn of the space age in the 20th century marked a new chapter in our exploration of Jupiter. A chapter filled with technological marvels, deep space voyages, and breathtaking discoveries. The first emissary we sent to Jupiter was Pioneer 10, launched in 1973. This brave little probe, designed to withstand the brutal conditions of Jupiter's environment, was the first to capture close-up images of the gas giant. And what it revealed was stunning. Giant storms bigger than Earth itself, swirling in the planet's tumultuous atmosphere. Pioneer 10 also confirmed the existence of Jupiter's incredibly strong magnetic field, a discovery that has shaped our understanding of the planet's internal structure and its awe-inspiring auroras. But Pioneer was just the beginning. The Voyager missions, launched in the late 70s, brought us even closer to Jupiter. They revealed the intricate details of the planet's stormy atmosphere, the faint ring system, and the complex dynamics of its 4 largest moons, known as the Galilean moons. Then came the Galileo spacecraft, which spent 8 years orbiting Jupiter, studying its atmosphere, magnetic field, and moons in unprecedented detail. It discovered evidence of possible subsurface oceans on the moons Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. In the 21st century, the Juno mission has taken our understanding of Jupiter to the next level. It has delved into the secrets of the planet's core, studied the water content in its deep atmosphere, and captured mesmerizing images of its polar auroras. These space probes have provided us with a wealth of information about Jupiter, transforming it from a distant, blurry dot in the night sky into a world of wonder and complexity. They've revealed a planet of raging storms, powerful magnetic fields, and moons that could potentially harbor life. But our journey to understand Jupiter is far from over. As we stand on the frontier of space exploration, we can only wonder, what does the future hold for our exploration of this giant planet? As we look ahead, the exploration of Jupiter promises to unlock more secrets of this giant planet. The next chapter of Jupiter's exploration is already being written, and it promises to be as exhilarating as the previous ones. One of the most anticipated missions is NASA's Europa Clipper mission. This expedition aims to conduct detailed reconnaissance of Jupiter's moon Europa's icy surface and subsurface. Europa, with its subsurface ocean, is considered one of the most promising places in the solar system for potential life. NASA's Europa Clipper mission will help scientists investigate whether this intriguing moon could harbor conditions suitable for life. The Europa Clipper spacecraft will carry a suite of scientific instruments to measure the moon's ice shell and subsurface ocean. It will also study the composition and structure of its icy shell and the nature of its surface. The spacecraft will probe the moon's ice and underlying ocean to learn more about their composition, depth, and salinity, key factors in determining whether Europa could support life. But Europa Clipper is just one part of the future exploration of Jupiter. Other missions are also being planned. For instance, NASA's proposed Io volcano observer would study the intense volcanic activity of Jupiter's moon Io. This mission could shed light on how tidal forces cause Io's spectacular volcanic eruptions. The European Space Agency, too, is planning to explore Jupiter's icy moons. Its Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, or JUICE, will study Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. The mission aims to investigate the possibility of ocean worlds that may harbor environments suitable for life. These missions aren't just about exploring other worlds, they're about understanding our place in the universe. The more we learn about Jupiter and its moons, the more we can appreciate the richness and complexity of our own planet. Indeed, the future of Jupiter exploration looks bright, with many thrilling discoveries yet to come. As we've journeyed through the past, present, and future of Jupiter exploration, it's clear that this giant planet holds a special place in our solar system. Jupiter, the grandest of all planets, is a titan among dwarfs, a true marvel of the cosmos. Throughout the ages, from the earliest days of stargazing to the most recent space probe missions, its majestic presence has captivated us, sparking our curiosity and fueling our drive for discovery. In the distant past, ancient astronomers looked to the heavens and marveled at this bright, wandering star. Its immense size and brilliant shine made it a beacon in the night sky, a celestial body of profound importance. But it was not until the advent of the telescope that we began to unravel Jupiter's true nature. The telescope revolution of the 17th century brought about a new era of discovery. Magnificent details emerged. Jupiter's colorful bands, its swirling storm systems, and its 4 large moons, forever dancing around it in a cosmic ballet. This opened our eyes to a Jupiter more complex and intriguing than we could have ever imagined. Then came the era of space probes, taking us closer to Jupiter than ever before. These robotic explorers, like the legendary Voyager and the innovative Juno, have provided us with unprecedented insights into Jupiter's atmosphere, magnetic field, and perhaps most intriguingly, its potential for life. And as we look to the future, the exploration of Jupiter continues to excite us. New missions are being planned, each with the potential to uncover more about this colossal planet. Each new discovery, each new revelation, brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. Next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the majestic Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, and the fascinating journey of discovery that it continues to inspire.